We're going to do a quick video on Swing Trading Forex. That's Forex trading using the rbamresearch.com prices you see here on your screen as an aid to enter the market for swing trading. First, let's take a look. These are for the 31st of May only. These prices expire every day. You can get these free at rbamresearch.com and stick with me till the very end and I'll show you how to do that. But if we take a look at these prices, these are the upcoming prices for the 31st. 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 10 day, 20 day hold period. So you basically select your hold period and then your entry prices are here. Each day we cover the major Forex pairs, and each day you're going to either see a buy or a short position, one or the other. And if we take a look at this one right here, we're trading the euro dollar versus United States dollar. It indicates a reference point to short at 1.07, and for that particular price you would have a option to take a profit as soon as you get it or close it out at the end of the next trading day. So this particular column, into the second day, into the fifth day, into the 10th day, into the 20th day, these are the holding periods, and you'd use these prices here as entry points. You'd either take a profit or close it out at the end of the X number of days, depending on which one you took a look at. If you scroll down here a little bit, you can see we covered the 7 major Forex pairs. Some are shorts, some are buys. Here down here you have the US dollar versus Canadian dollar. And if you want to swing trade these, for example, for 2 days on a euro dollar, tomorrow you take a look at it. Tomorrow's the 31st. If it hit this point here, you could short it, hold it for a couple days, worst case close it out at a loss, or take your profit if you got one in the interim. And that's basically how this works. Very simple. You should never use any of these prices as your sole means of entry. You always want to do your own research. But this is a very good way to log in every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com and get these entry prices. They're free, no credit card required. You can just sign up and get them every day before 7 a.m. and then use them to aid you to swing trade the Forex. You can do Forex trading like this. It's really simple. No technical analysis, no fundamental analysis. You just use these points as reference points and compare them to whatever tool that you would use to swing trade with. You can use a variety of tools to swing trade with, but these give you an objective number to look at every morning before 7 a.m. to back up your own independent research, and they're free. It doesn't cost you anything to do it. Again, rbamresearch.com, no credit card required, and you can get them before 7 a.m. every morning. That's all for your entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk. You definitely always have to either consult your own financial advisor or use your own judgment, and you should definitely always use your own judgment. And again, rbamresearch.com, you can sign up and get these for free.